Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of scenario based interview questions and answer in a SQL. Now, our today's task is to find out all the employees whose salary is greater than average salary. So, this is our employee table. In that, there are total 3 columns: employee ID, employee name, and salary. Now, we want to find out those employees whose salary is greater than average salary. For that, first we will find out the average salary. So, I am writing select query here. Select average salary from employees table. Now, run this. So, our average salary of the employees is 22,400. Now, we want to find out those employees whose salary is greater than this much average salary. So, we will write here select query as select star from employees table where salary is greater than this much salary, and we will enclose this in a brackets. Now run this query. So we are getting 5 employees with the ID number 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10 whose salary is greater than average salary, and that average salary is 22,400. That's it. Practice this scenario and stay tuned for the upcoming questions. Thank you.